my dear students of class 11 science students of Gurukul Mission Senior Secondary School Devariya, at this period of crucial period of COVID-19, it is essential to stay safely at your home and keep a distance of at least 1 meter from each other. But our study is also important, so online education must be continued. So we are going to start our today's lesson, relations. So my dear students, as you have learnt the relations, in this section we study a special type of relation called a function. It is one of the most important concepts in mathematics. We can visualize a function as a rule which produce new elements out of some given elements. There are many terms such as map, mappings used to denote a function. Definition: a relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. In other words, a function f is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that the domain of f is A and no two distinct order pairs in the relation have the same first element. If a function is from A, if a function f is from A to B and AB belongs to f, then f is equal to B, which is the image of A under f and is called the pre-image of B under f. The function f from A to B is denoted by f A B. Example 10. Let capital N be the set of all natural numbers and the relation R be defined on N such that R is equal to xy, such that y equal to 2x for every xy belongs to N. What is the domain, codomain and range of R? Is this relation a function? Solution: the domain R is the set of all natural numbers N. The codomain is also N. The range is the set of even natural numbers. Since every natural number N has one and only one image, this relation is a function. Example 11. Examine each of the following relations given below and state in each case giving reason whether it is a function or not. Part 1. R is equal to 2 1 3 1 4 2. Second, R is equal to 2 2 2 4 3 3 4 4. Third, R is equal to 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7. Solution: since 2 3 4 are elements of the domain of R having their unique images in this relation R, so it is a function. Second, since the same first element 2 corresponds to two different images 2 and 4, this relation is not a function. Part 3. Since every element has one and only image, this relation is a function. Definition 6. A function which has either capital R or one of its subsets as its range is called a real valued function. Further, if its domain is also either R or a subset of R, it is called a real valued function. Now we have to study some functions and their graphs. First is identity function. Let capital R be the set of all real numbers. Define the real function f R to R by y is equal to fx is equal to x for each x belongs to R. Such a function is called an identity function. The domain and range of f are R. The graph is a straight line passing through the origin. The constant function. Define the function f R to R by y is equal to fx is equal to c for every x belongs to R. C is a constant and each x belongs to R. Here domain of f is R and its range is C. The graph of the function fx is equal to c is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Third, polynomial function. A function f R to R is said to be a polynomial function if for each x in R, y is equal to fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on plus anx to the power n, where n is a non-negative integer and a0, a1, a2, a3 ... an belongs to R. The function defined by fx is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2 and gx is equal to x to the power 4 plus root 2x are some examples of polynomial functions. Whereas the function h defined by hx is equal to x to the power 2 by 3 plus 2x is not a polynomial function because here the exponent of x is a rational number. Example number 13. Define the function f R to R by fx is equal to x square, x belongs to R. Let us draw this graph. Actually, the graph of fx is equal to x square is a curve known as parabola. It opens upward if the coefficient of x square is positive. The parabola also opens downward if its coefficient is negative. Example 14. Draw the graph of the function f R to R defined by fx is equal to x cube, x belongs to R. Solution. We have f0 is equal to 0, f1 is 1, f minus 1 is minus 1, f2 is 8, f minus 2 is minus 8, f3 is 27, f minus 3 is minus 27, etc. Therefore, f is equal to x cube for every x belongs to R. The graph of f is shown in the figure 2.11, which is passing through the origin. Rational functions are functions of the type fx by gx, where fx and gx are polynomial functions of x defined in a domain where gx is not equal to 0. Example 15. Define the real valued function f r minus 0 to r defined by fx is equal to 1 by x, x belongs to r minus 0. Complete the table given below using this definition. What is its domain and ranges of this function? We can complete the table just by putting the values of x in fx, and its graph is given in the figure 2.12. The domain is all real numbers except 0 and its range is also all real numbers except 0. The graph of f is given in figure 2.12. The modulus function. The function f r to r defined by fx is equal to x for each x belongs to r is called modulus function. For each non-negative value of x, fx is equal to x, but for negative values of x, the value of fx is negative of the value of x. That is, fx is equal to absolute value of x, and this is equal to x for every x is greater than or equal to 0, and minus x for every x is less than 0. The graph of modular function is given in figure 2.3, which is a straight line passing through origin, that is fx is equal to x and fx is equal to minus x. The signum function. The function f r to r defined by fx is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0, and minus 1 if x is less than 0 is called signum function. The domain of signum function is R and its range is minus 1, 0 and 1. Greatest integer function. The function f r to r defined by fx is equal to x, where x belongs to r, assume the value of the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Such a function is called the greatest integer function. From the definition of x, we can see that x is equal to -1 for -1 is less than or equal to x is less than 0. X is equal to 0 for 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 1. And x is equal to 1 for 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 2. And x is equal to 2 for 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. The graph of function is shown in figure 2.15. Algebra of real function. In this section, we shall learn how to add and subtract two real functions from one another, multiply them and divide them by a non-zero function. For example, addition of two real functions f x to r and g x to r be any two function where x will subset of r, then we define f plus gx to r by f plus gx is equal to fx plus gx for all x belongs to r. Subtraction of a real function from another. Let fx to r and gx to r be two real functions where x is subset of r. Then we define f minus gx to r by f minus gx is equal to fx minus gx for x belongs to r. Multiplication of a scalar. Let fx to r be a real valued function and let alpha be a scalar. Here by scalar we mean a real number. Then the product alpha f is a function from x to r defined by alpha fx is equal to alpha fx for x belongs to r. Multiplication of two real function. The product or multiplication of two real function fx to r and gx to r is a function fgx to r defined by fgx is equal to fx gx for all x belongs to r. This is also called pairwise multiplication, pointwise multiplication. Quotient of two real functions. Let f and g be two real functions defined from x to r, where x is subset of r. The quotient f by g denoted by f divided by g is a function defined by f by gx is equal to fx by gx provided gx is not equal to 0 and x belongs to x. Example 16. Let fx is equal to x square and gx is equal to 2x plus 1 be two real functions. Find f plus gx, f minus gx, f gx, f by gx. Solution. We have f plus gx is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. F minus gx is equal to x square minus 2x minus 1. F gx is equal to x square into 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x cube plus x square. And f by gx is equal to x square upon 2x plus 1 for x is not equal to minus 1 by 2. Example 17. Let fx is equal to root x and gx is equal to x be two functions defined over the set of non-negative real numbers. Find f plus gx, f minus gx, f gx and f by gx. Solution. We have f plus gx is equal to root x plus x. F minus gx is equal to root x minus x. F gx is equal to root x into x is equal to x to the power 3 by 2. And f by gx is equal to root x by x is equal to x to the power minus half and x belongs to r. So my dear students, by seeing the ideas of functions and definitions given to you, you can solve so many problems are given on exercises 2.3. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You try to solve, and if you face any problem in any question, you can contact me.